today we are going to do a very crispy snack, the instant snack, which is nothing but finger chips. So for that I am going to add water on the stove. I am just going to add water, 1 bowl of water. Whatever measurement you take for rice flour, in the same bowl you need to add water. So I am going to take 2 cups of rice flour. So I am adding 2 cups of water. That is the actual measurement. So I have added 2 cups of water. As the water is getting boiled, we need to add all the following items. So I am going to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of asafoetida powder, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon, it's 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder. You can add either chili powder or green chili, whichever you prefer. Not to add pepper. Pepper will change the color of the snacks. So after adding the chili powder, I am adding the required amount of salt. As all these are getting slightly boiled, we are going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I am adding 2 tablespoons of refined oil. So along with this, once a little bubble comes, I am going to add the 2 cups of rice flour, which is readily available usually in every home. The rice flour will be readily available. I am just going to add it and mix it and off the stove. You can find the water is getting boiled. Now I am going to add the dough little by little, and we need to stir it. See friends, you have to keep mixing it. The stove is in low flame. You can think it's not mixed well. You will be thinking we should really add water, but actually water is not at all required. The measurement is 1 cup of rice flour, the same cup 1 cup of water. So just off the stove and close the lid and keep it in the stove itself for 5 minutes, and then we can mix it finely in the hand like our chapati dough. So nothing to worry. So I am just closing it and keeping it and off the stove. Friends, that heated dough, I am just transferring it to another plate to mix it in the hand in well. So friends, in this I am going to add 1 cup of coriander leaves, finely chopped coriander leaves, and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. So mix this well like a chapati dough. You can add oil if required and mix this well and keep it. And so you have to mix it in this consistency like a chapati dough. Now let us flat it like chapati, and you can do whatever designs you wanted. I am going to cut it into straight like a finger chips. Friends, you need to flat it like this, like our chapati dough. Then you can remove the corners. We can mix it in the main dough again. So you can remove the corners. So I am removing all the corners. Got the square shape. Now in the square shape you can do whichever shape you want. Now in this I am doing straight cuts like our finger chips. As I have cut into straight, because it's too big then it will consume more oil. So I am just going to cut one more in the middle so that it will be easily cooked in the oil. So you can find it. So it should be. Friends, I have cut one in the middle. See, you can find this is how the thickness of the dough is, and we need to deep fry it. So I am keeping separately in another plate whatever is cut. Keep it separately. It should not stick with one another. So keep it little distance like this, and keep the oil in the low medium flame, and we need to do the deep frying. So we have kept the shapes ready like a finger chips. Now the pan is heated with the required amount of oil in the medium flame. We are going to fry it deep. So one by one you need to fry it. It will get cooked easily because we already added hot water. So it will come out crispy. In case if you feel it's not crispy, you can again fry it second time with the same oil. It will become more crispy and very nice. See friends, so our crispy instant finger chips is ready to eat. This is a very instant snack that can be done for kids and family people. It hardly takes 30 minutes. You do in different shapes that you want. I have done it in straight like finger chips and square shape. You can do the cutting either through pizza cutter, or usually elders will have some cutters at home. You can use that. So please try this recipe. Watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another recipe shortly.